In this video, we will once again run our Pocket Option Auto Trader that you can get completely for free in Google Play Store. You find link below the video so you also can get started today. Also, if you want to run it on a desktop with Chrome extension, you find link below for that also. So you have option for cell phone and for their computer. I will in this video test one of the best strategies that I have for 5 seconds. Let's see which win rate we can get, and I will run without martingale so we see how it will go. Okay, so if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update video just like this one. Okay, so now let's get started and let's see how we do. So just for information, I have set for 5x speed for the cell phone version you see over there, so we don't use too much time. So we chose our strategy. We did choose stochastic this time, and now he will find all the information. You see he did go through all the information to find everything he needs from the broker, and then he will start looking for trades. So now let's see. We are now waiting for the first trade. So you can see sometimes it can take a long time to find the first trade because he's looking through a lot of information. Everything needs to be perfect for him to go and take a trade. When you first have found the first trade, typically after go faster because then it's different. The trend and everything is in the correct direction, so then typically he finds trades faster. So now let's see, we are waiting for the first trade. There you see he got a sell trade and we got the first win. We did take $1,000 each trade. So you can see there we got $920 in profit, 100% win rate till now. He's looking for the second trade. You see also it's a little while in between here also. That means he are now looking for new entries. There he got the second trade. You see we got now 100% win rate still and $1,840 profit. Now he's looking for one more trade. There he got it. And that's it. I did choose to take 3 trades in this video. So you can see we ended up with a $2,760 profit, 100% win rate. Amazing. Don't expect that you will get 100% win rate. That's why sometimes I use martingale to just keep the money up. But the thing is that I'm making the bot better and better. I'm upgrading the strategies better and better all the time. So also make sure you go, if you take it from Google Play Store, make sure you always go there to check almost daily. If there are an update, just push the update and you can have the latest version because I work with this all the time. Okay, so with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next.